Hi Jane, in this tutorial I'm going to walk you through how to add another page to a module inside the Self-Made Hub site inside the Six Figure Funnels course. So if you need to add any additional pages, I've already added all of the pages that were on the Six Figure Funnel overview, but if you need to add any more pages to any of the modules inside the Six Figure Funnels course, this is how you'll do it. So first thing, you want to make sure you're logged in, and you're just going to click on Dashboard. Once you get inside the dashboard, you're going to look for Pages and All Pages. Next, you're going to find the module inside Six Figure Funnels that you want to add a page to. So module 1 is going to come up first. I'm going to go all the way to module number 5 because I don't think module 5 has been released yet. And after I make this page, I'm just going to go ahead and delete it back out. But you'll see the modules right here. We're just looking, in this case, I'm looking for module 5. So module number 5 is super long. I think it had 11 different pages inside the overview. I've added all of the module pages in the overview already to the site, so I'm going to just skip to the next page of module number 5 so I can get to the very last one. So here we are on module 5, the 11th part of that course, and I'm going to go ahead and hit clone. So by hitting clone page, it's going to make an exact duplicate of a module 5 page within the course. So the next step is to change the name. So you would just change the name to anything that you would like for it to be. I'm just going to call this one Test Module Page. And then the next step is to hit Edit right here. And I just like to put this the name of the module and the version number. So in this case, it would be M5 V12 because M5 V11 was the one before it. So after you change the number here, and I just do that to keep them all consistent, so all of module 5s will start off with M5/V1, V2, V3, V4. So after you put in that new V number right here, you're just going to hit OK. So then you can go ahead and change the name, and it's already in there this way. And if you use a module that already has video content, you'll just have to replace the video or any wording on the page. But this way, you've at least got the headline and you've got the Progress Ally objectives in there already too. And I talk about the objectives in a different video. But the next step is going to be to give this parent page, this module 5 page, an order. And this one is number 12. So by keeping them in order, it will just make sure that they appear on the menu correctly all the time. But that's the next page in the order. Hope that makes sense. But the really good thing about keeping a copy and cloning it is it's already going to have the page layout that's set up for your course attached to it, so it won't have any funky page styling. And it will also have the correct module number for access for this course. So that way you don't have to worry about the page permissions or any of the tagging as long as you're using a page inside the same module that you're just cloning it. Alright, so then of course you would come back in here and add in all your page content, anything you want to appear on the page. So the last step here would be to hit update. And so update is going to add this new page, this M5V12 page. So that's the first step, is to add the page. The next step is to add the page to the menu for the course. So in order to do that, you're going to hover over the word appearance and click on menus. After clicking on menus, you're going to make sure it says Six Figure Funnels menu. That's usually the one that's selected here automatically. And then you're just going to come over here to the search, and you're going to type in search, and you're going to put in the module number and the video number or the version number right in here. And once you do that, it's going to bring that page up for you right here, so it's nice and easy to find. You're just going to give it a click and hit add to menu. Once you do that, it's going to put it all the way down at the very, very bottom of the page. So here we go, on and on and on. There it is. So the next step is to left click and drag it up and then slide it into place. all of the submenu items are on the inside and the regular module is on the outside. This makes this one the main menu, and then these are the submenus. So that's how you can add that page, that new page, to the menu. Next step is just to hit Save Menu. And then now I'm going to go back and view the Six-Figure Funnels course for Module 5 so that I can get in there and see that extra page. So this module is super heavy tab-wise, so the easiest way to see it, because it's not going to show you all of them in the first glance, is just to hover right here and then put your cursor over the first one and then just keep scrolling down. And you'll see that very last one right there. That's what happens when the modules get kind of long. So that is how you add a new page into a module inside the Six-Figure Funnels course. So you can use that clone to add as many new pages as you need, but just always keep in mind you want to be in the right module before you clone the page. That way you don't have to worry about the tagging, and if the tagging is set up right, and if the access permission levels are set up right. So I hope that makes sense, but that's how you go in and add another page inside a course. Thanks, bye!